来关心上新的消息，这是美国的联准会宣布无要升利息，嘛无要降利息。联准会主席鲍尔是表示，今年甲大虽然美国通货膨胀的数字有咧降，不过也无到会当降利息的坎站，也阁需要一段时间。不过鲍尔嘛表示，升利息的机会嘛无悬。
经过连续2天的政治会议，美国联准会7月宣布，联邦资金利率目标区间维持伫5.25%到5.5%，就如外界所预期的，利率连续第6遍无震荡。
So I think, and we think, that policy is well positioned to address different paths that the economy might take. And we've said that we don't think it would be appropriate to dial back our restrictive policy stance until we've gained greater confidence that inflation is moving down sustainably toward 2%.
经济学家拢认为，通膨加美国经济会伫今年下半年进一步降温，鲍尔也认同。不过，伫即马经济依然正强，再加上通膨继续停掉的，这敢会互联准会延后降息的时间。但是鲍尔讲，劳动市场上意外正歹，第一遍降息的时间可能会变早。
I think it's unlikely that the next policy rate move will be a hike. I'd say it's unlikely. When we get that confidence, then rate cuts will be in scope, and I don't know exactly when that will be.
就照大家所预期的利率无变，美国股市伫咧7月有起有跌，道琼工业指数起87点，不过标准普尔500指数加纳斯达克综合指数收盘拢小可跌。公司新闻郑伟林将建讲编辑。